Today, let's understand how to create lesson, assignment, and rubric on ProSchool.ai. Click on Create Lesson. Start by naming your lesson. Let's call ours Shakespeare for 11th grade as an example. Choose your start and end dates for the lesson, aligning them with your overall course timeline. Once I scroll down, on the left you have a lesson generator, and on the right a workboard. The lesson generator, an innovative tool where your teaching ideas are transformed into structured lesson plans. For this lesson, type in a prompt like, "Create a lesson about creative writing for Shakespeare." Watch as the AI rapidly generates a comprehensive lesson plan, tailored to your input. Once the AI has created your lesson, it's time to refine it on the workboard. At the bottom right of your lesson generator, there are two buttons, Copy and Copy and Paste. Click Copy and Paste. Now you can edit and customize the lesson to your heart's content. Add your insights, tweak the AI's suggestions, and ensure the lesson aligns with your teaching style and objectives. Then click on Proceed to save your work. With your lesson ready, it's time to challenge your students and gauge their understanding through assignments. Select the Assignment tab. As soon as you do that, on the bottom left, you can choose your assignment. For our Shakespeare lesson, we might call it Shakespeare Writing Exercise. Specify the assignment duration. For this writing exercise, let's allocate 20 minutes. Then, set the start date, typically the day you introduce the lesson, and an expiration date, ensuring students complete their work in a timely manner. Choose the type of assignment. Given our focus on Shakespeare, an essay would be an appropriate format to assess students' grasp of his works and their creative writing skills. Now, I will input the prompt that was copied previously. And remember, it's important to write something in your prompt, so you can't leave it blank. Now type, "Create an assignment based on the following," and generate the assignment. Now that the assignment is generated, I'm pretty happy with it. Everything else seems fine. Click Save to finalize the assignment. An essential component of any assignment is the rubric, a tool that clearly outlines how students' work will be evaluated. After saving your assignment, proceed to the rubrics section to create a grading framework. In the rubric creation area, you'll find a prompt box where you can input specific criteria. For our Shakespeare writing exercise, you might request, "Create a grading rubric based on 100 points." The AI will then generate a detailed rubric, breaking down each aspect of the assignment into accessible criteria. Once you're satisfied with the rubric, copy and paste it into the workboard, and remember to save it. And click on Back to Course. Once you do that, you can see the course details. You can also see that the lesson Shakespeare for 11th grade is created. Click on the arrow. You can see some information about the lesson. If you'd like to go into the lesson and make some edits or preview the lesson, you can do that. Your course is now vibrant with lessons and assignments, each accompanied by clear rubrics. For more helpful tutorials and insights on making the most of your digital teaching experience, be sure to visit ProSchool.ai